Are you listening properly?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir, I can listen.
okay, you can listen. Very good. So, which chapter we are supposed to study today? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Chapter 2.
Oh, chapter 1 we have completed.
Yes, sir. Question answers also.
Question answer means chapter 1 exercises, all things has been done.
Yes, sir.
Shwetab Anand, how are you? Shwetab Anand,
Yes, sir.
everything is fine.
Yes, sir.
Today I am seeing you in the class. Earlier you were not joining the classes.
No, sir. I am offing the video.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so let us begin today. But first, let me call out the name those who are in the class right now. So let me call. Means this is a kind of attendance. Okay.
Mama, light.
Kislairaj, so Kislairaj, Richa Kumari, Dhairya Singh, Rishi Raj Maranti, Mayank Keshri, Simran Shandelia, Sushant. Then we have Dipanshu, Rimmi Naik is there. Then Shivam Kumar, Alok Kumar, Shetav, Mauli Singh, Prachi Kumari, Kriti. Then Kumar Abhinav and Ansh Kumar. Akanksha Ayushi is there. Trisha Tekriwal, Newton also is there. Riya Marodia, then Soumya Rumta, Rudra Pawan, and Aradhana Chaudhary. So these students are in the first page. Now let me check who are in the next page. In the next page, Anshuman Kumar, Arnav Kumar, Yash Kumar, Ayush, Ishant, Sama Shaurya, then Amit Keshri, Harshit, Tanmay, then Abhinav Raj, Aradhana Chaudhary, Jisha B. Marandi, Shail Sin, Smith Shivam, Om Anand, Abhinav Raj, then Aradhana Chaudhary, Rudra Pawan, Soumya Rumta, Kriti, Ansh Kumar. Okay. So these are the students, those who have joined the classes right now. So now let me open the book, chapter 2, and let us discuss, let us read out that what we have in chapter 2. And I have unmuted only 2 students today, Shwetab Anand and Kislay Raj. Okay. Okay, any problem? Reply.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, both of you have to reply. Whatever I will ask, you have to reply, so that I could know whether my voice is clear or not. So let me open the book. So let me open WhatsApp of Kislay Raj, because Kislay Raj, once I had told you to send me chapter 1 and 2 photos. So you had sent me na earlier. You had sent me na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me open your WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
And let me check. Let me write here Kislay Raj. Kislay Raj. Okay. Now your name has come. Let me see the book here. Yeah, we have got book here. This is chapter 1. Chapter 1 we already have completed. So
Yes, sir. Completed.
let me come to the chapter 2.
Sir, back.
I need to back. Okay. Let me back then. Someone has started drawing also. Abhinav Raj. Write the name of Abhinav Raj at once. Raj,
Yes, sir. Writing.
And when school will reopen, that day you have to give me the name, all of their name. Then first day I will beat, then I will
Avinav,
start speaking in the class.
sir, Avinav Raj,
Hmm.
written.
First they will get a stick, then I will take them to the principal also. Principal also will beat. Yeah, this is chapter 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us begin. Today we have the
Living.
skeletal system. Today we have skeletal system. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See the skeletal of human, skeletal of horse,
Seahorse.
seahorse. Yeah. Skeletal of fish, skeletal of lizards, and skeletal of horse.
Horse.
A skeletal system of human and animals. We will learn about. Actually, when we will finish this chapter, finish this lesson, so we will learn about these 5 points mainly. Skeletal system, bones, parts,
The system bones part of skeletal system, joints and their types, muscles and movements,
care of bones,
care
and
of bones, good posture.
good posture. Okay, so let us discuss and let us try to understand. First of all, it is given here rewind. Rewind means whatever we had studied in our previous classes, means in class 4, whatever you have studied. So we will recall. So we will recall a little bit. So first, let us rewind. Look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, look at yourself in the mirror. Means when you will look at yourself in the mirror, feel your head, cheeks, jaws, and shoulders. Can you feel some hard structure in all these parts? You have to touch your skull, you have to touch your hands, you have to touch your legs, and then feel that whether these things are soft or hard. These hard structures are called the bones. So the hard structure, when you will feel, these hard structures are called bones. These hard structures are called bones. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now imagine if the bones you felt were not there. Suppose in your body, if there is no bone, then what will happen? You will like a tube, cycle tube, you have seen cycle tube without air.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Your body will become like that only. When you will
Sir,
feel,
like jelly also.
yes, if you will fill air in cycle tube, so it becomes hard. When you will blow,
Yes,
when you
sir.
blow all the air from cycle tube, it will become like a rubber tube.
Yes.
In the same way, our body also will act like that. If we don't have bones, so we cannot walk, we cannot upright stand, we cannot, stand. We will not have the shape and sizes of our body, whatever we have right now. Now imagine if the bones you felt were not there, how would your looks change? So you will be on the ground only. Anyone can, pick it up, and anyone can make a round and throw you. So would your body be firm and stiff, or would it be just soft like it just? The bones give different support to our body. So this is a bone. Bones are very, very important for our body. Okay. If we will not have bone, we cannot stand, we cannot we cannot stand, we cannot run, we cannot walk. So many things are there which we cannot perform in the lack of bones. So bones are very, very important for our body. So now we are going to study about the skeletal system. But before beginning the skeletal system, let us study the fact. Fact is written here. Bones are mainly made of calcium and
Calcium and
phosphorus.
phosphorus.
See, this question I will ask when I will make a game, I will make a quiz, I will make a online question and answer or oral, anything, any question I will make. So this question I will ask because this is very, very important. Bones are mainly made of calcium and phosphorus. Okay. How bones are made? Bones are made of.
Sir, what will the question?
Question I will write. Bones are mainly made of calcium and phosphorus. So I will ask that how bones are made. How bones are made of. So you have to say bones are made of calcium and phosphorus. Okay.
Of calcium and phosphorus.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akanksha Ayushi. Understood? Akanksha Ayushi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Understood everything?
Sir, how many pages copy GSC?
Two copy you have to make. First CW and another one HW copy. Okay, in HW copy, whatever homework I will give you, that you need to complete, and CW copy, the classwork would be there. Okay.
How many pages, sir?
Pages. I
200
think,
pages.
yeah, 200 pages minimum.
Yes, sir. Minimum 200 pages.
Yeah. Okay. Now let us begin. Human skeletal system. The bones in the human body make up the skeleton. See, the bones in the human body, the bones, whatever we have, that make up the skeleton. That make up the skeleton. Isle Raj, what you are doing? You are not concentrating. Let me mute
Yes,
Isle.
sir.
He is not he is not paying attention in the class. Okay, Shweta Anand, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the bones in the human body make up the skeleton. It provides a framework for the body. So just because of bones, we have got the framework of our body. The skeletal system consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, two parts of limbs, or arms, or hind limbs or legs, and the girdles. So these are the parts which are the main parts of the skeletal system. Okay, what are the what are those parts are there? Those are skull, backbone, rib cage. Repeat after me. Shweta Anand, repeat after me. All students repeat after me so that you can learn also here. The skeletal system consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage,
The backbone,
pairs of limbs, forelimbs or arms, hind limbs or legs, and the girdles. These are the parts of the skeletal system. These are the main parts of the skeletal system. Okay. Now come to the page number 26. Yes. Now come to page number 26. See, this is the skeletal system. Okay, in skeletal system, 4 to 5 parts are important, like skull, backbone, pelvis, rib cage. Okay, so this is a picture of human skeletal system, and this is a picture of skull. This is the picture of skull. Nobody is beautiful and nobody is ugly. Everybody has this kind of skull behind his face. If you will remove your mass, if you will remove your flesh from your body, so you will get this skull. So those who are very, very beautiful and those who are ugly, if you will remove their flesh from his face, so both of them will look like that only. That's why people say that all are equal. But how all are equal? Today I have made you understood. Okay. Newton.
Yes, sir.
Newton, any problem? Newton.
No, sir.
Okay. Are you studying at your home or not? Newton? Okay, let us study this page. X-rays. X-rays were discovered by accident. This is the yellow box. In the yellow box, something important is written that also we need to study. So in the yellow box, we are going to study about the X-ray, how X-ray has been invented. X-rays were discovered by accident in 1895. See, X-rays were discovered by accidentally only. Okay, by with your page, you know, the page you have sent. So letter is very small. With him, what is written? You read out, Shetavanand. The spelling you read out. I am not able to read out here.
Sir, WILHELM.
Okay,
William.
No, not William. That is not Wilhelm. Wilhelm Conrad
CONRAD. Conrad.
Yeah. Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. Okay. Rontgen. Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. So this is the also main important question I will ask, that who has discovered X-ray? Then you have to say X-ray has been invented by Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. Okay, Rontgen, you need to say Rontgen, R-O-N-T and G-E-N, Rontgen. So by Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. These are a type of radiation which cannot be seen like the rays from the sun, and hence the name X-ray. X-rays help us to take pictures of our bones and other body parts. This helps doctors to treat broken bones and many other diseases successfully. So this was a brief history of X-ray, which was very important. All of you need to learn it, or you have to keep it in your mind. The important thing means who invented X-ray. X-ray has been invented by Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. Okay, Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. When? So 1895. Now let us come here. The adult human skeleton consists of 206 bones. Yes, that we already have studied in our previous classes, and lesson number 1 also we have studied. The adult human skeleton consists of 206 bones. A bone looks hard and smooth on the outside. Okay, a bone looks hard and smooth on the outside, but the inside of a bone is a very soft due to the presence of a blood forming substance called bone marrow. I will ask you what is bone marrow, so you have to say here, you have to say this line. But the inside of a bone is a very soft due to the presence of a blood forming substance. Okay, blood forming substance called bone marrow. Bone marrow produces blood cells, and bone marrow produces blood cells. You can see the picture of bone marrow also. This is the picture of bone marrow, and this is the soft part, hard outer part. This is the hard outer part, and blood vessels are being made here. So inside a bone, these kind of things are there. Now let us study about the skull. The human skull is made up of 22 bones. See, human skull is made up of 22 bones. Means in our head, in our skull, there are 22 bones are there. Fused together, there are 8 bones arranged like a jigsaw that covers and protects the brain. The facial region contains 14 bones. Facial region means in our face side. 14 bones, among which only the lower jaw is movable. Lower jaw, we can move only lower jaw. Upper jaw, we cannot move. Okay. This part enables us to talk and eat. So this part enables us to talk and eat. If this part will not work, so we cannot speak. We cannot say anything. Now, let us study about the backbone. This is the backbone now. The backbone or spine is the main axis of the skeleton. So this is the main axis of the skeleton system. It helps us to twist and bend and holds the body upright. It contains 33 small bones called vertebrae. So in backbone, in our spine cord, so there are 33 small bones are there, which is called vertebra. Okay, vertebra. I will ask what is vertebra, then you have to say. It contains means spine. Spine contains or backbone. You can, in place of it, you can write backbone or spine. Backbone contains 33 small bones called vertebrae, or you can write spine. Spine contains 33 bones called vertebrae. So I will ask a question, what is vertebra? Then you have to say here. In place of it, you just need to say backbone or spine. Any one name you can choose. You can say backbone. Backbone contains 33 small bones. Okay, backbone contains 33 small bones called vertebra. Okay, Shwetavanand, understood?
Yes, sir. The backbone contains 33 small bones called vertebra.
Yeah, when I will ask question, what is vertebra, then you have to say the backbone, or you can say spine also. Spine contains 33 small bones called vertebra. All of you need to learn this line, vertebra.
Sir, can we underline it?
Yes, all of you can underline it. The important things, whatever you are getting, you underline it. Whenever we will solve the exercises, that time it will help us. All of you underline. You underline the previous things also, like the human skulls is made up of 22 bones fused together. This line also you need to underline. This line also. The human skull is made up of 22 bones fused together. Okay. Then here you can underline the bone marrow part. But the inside of a bone is very soft from here. Inside of a bone is very soft due to the presence of a blood forming substance called bone marrow. You underline from here, inside of a bone is very soft due to the presence of blood forming substance called bone marrow. You underline this one also, and you underline this yellow box also, the first sentence. X-ray were discovered by accident in 1895 by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Okay. In the first page also something important was there, that also you need to underline in the first page. Let me say, yeah, fact page. The fact is written here, bones are mainly made of calcium and phosphorus. This is to underline these things. Okay, bones are mainly made of calcium and phosphorus. You underline. And you underline this one also. The bones in the human body make up the skeleton. This line. The bones in the human body make up the skeleton. Okay. Now again come to the page number 26, and let us start from here. Vertebra we were studying. So these vertebra form a long column called the vertebral column. So you underline also this one. These vertebra form a long column called the vertebral column. The vertebral column protects the spinal cords, which is a large bundle of nerves that sends information from the brain to the rest of the body and back. So again, we have got some one fact page in this green box. So let us study in the fact page. This is also important. Babies are born with about 300 bones. See, my God, babies are born with about 300 bones. We have got human adults have got 206 bones, but the small babies, when they are small, that time they have 300 bones. Most of these bones are made of a flexible substance called cartilage. You underline this one also, cartilage. Most of these bones are made of a flexible substance called cartilage. They are soft. The ears and tip of your nose is made of cartilage. See, our ear and nose, the ears and tip of nose is made of cartilage only. Okay, cartilage, yes, ear and nose are made of cartilage. The bones gradually become hard and strong as they grow up. Means when babies grow up, so their bones becomes hard. Many of them fuse together and thus their number reduces. Many of them fuse together means they broken down. Just as they grow, so some bones are broken down. That's why it reduces to 206 as they become adult. When they become adult, so that time they have 206 bones. So this is the important fact. This whole fact is important. Now come to page number 27. Come to the page number 27. Now we are going to study about the rib cage. What is rib cage called in Hindi? You know, that is pasli. Pasli ka haddi, you know, in Hindi people say like that. So that is rib cage. Okay.
Sir, it protects our lungs and
there are 12 pairs of curved bones. Yeah, there are 12. In rib cage, we have got 12 pairs of curved bones in the chest region. These bones are called the ribs. They form a cage-like structure called the rib cage. The rib cage includes the two vital organs of our body, the heart and the lungs. The rib cage includes two vital organs of our body, the heart and the lungs. This line is important. Underline Shetavanan, and all students also. Okay. This rib cage includes the two vital organs of our body, the heart and the lungs. The ribs are joined to the backbone at the back and a long bone at the center of the chest called the breastbone or sternum in front. This is also important. Underline this one. The ribs are joined to the backbone at the back and a long bone at the center of the chest called the breastbone or sternum in front. The lowest two pairs of ribs are joined only to the backbone and are called floating ribs. Yeah, these are called floating ribs. Okay. So today till here only.
Yes,
today we will study the rib cage only, and whatever I have made you underline, that all those underlined, all of you need to learn, because I can ask to anyone in the next classes, and I'll try to make a game on those on all those underlined words. Okay, Pragati Khetan, any problem? Understood? Pragati Khetan?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, Soumya Rungta, Garima Sharma, any problem? Soumya Rungta? and Garima Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Koi
Yes,
problem? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, Shubhankar has raised hand and Tanmay Kumar. Let me unmute them and let me ask what is their problem. Tanmay, Shubhankar, you unmute. Shubhankar, Shubham Kumar, sorry, Shubham Kumar is written. Shubham Kumar, unmute yourself and let me know what's your problem. Shubham Kumar. Okay, he is not unmuting.
Sir, nothing.
himself. Okay, then why you have raised your hand? Richa Kumari, any problem? Richa Kumari.
Sir, I am not underlined.
You have not underlined. Okay, no problem. When I will upload this video on YouTube, you see this video and you underlined all those important lines. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will upload this video on YouTube and I will provide the link in your WhatsApp group and Campus Care as well. So today till here only. Okay. So time has come to say bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, let me unmute to each and to everyone so that all of them can say bye. Okay, bye everybody. I have unmuted to all of you.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye, sir. Bye.